/ Welcome back to Tectonic, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and lifestyle gadgets. Today, we're diving into something classy and timeless, a watch that perfectly blends tradition with modern functionality. Meet the Seagull new business watch, Model 6075, a mechanical wristwatch that stands out in both elegance and durability. Whether you're heading to the office or planning a special date, this watch is designed to make a statement. / The Seagull 6075 is more than just a timepiece, it's a work of art. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and sophisticated design. It features a genuine leather strap, which not only adds a touch of luxury but also ensures comfort for all-day wear. The dial is minimalist, with clean lines that make it easy to read the time at a glance. The luminous hands and hour markers ensure visibility, even in low-light conditions. Plus, the stainless steel case adds a layer of durability without compromising on style. / What makes this watch truly special is its mechanical movement. Unlike quartz watches that rely on batteries, the Seagull 6075 uses a traditional mechanical movement, which is powered by the natural motion of your wrist. This not only gives it a vintage charm but also makes it an environmentally friendly choice. The precise craftsmanship ensures accurate timekeeping, making it a reliable companion for any occasion. / Now, let's talk about durability. The Seagull 6075 is 50 meters water resistant, meaning it can handle splashes, rain, and even a quick dip in the pool without breaking a sweat. Whether you're out on a rainy day or washing your hands, you can trust that your watch will stay safe and sound. / This watch isn't just for you, it's also the perfect gift for a loved one. With its elegant design and reliable performance, the Seagull 6075 makes a great Valentine's Day gift, anniversary present, or a token of appreciation for someone special. The packaging is as refined as the watch itself, making it ready to gift right out of the box. / Classic elegance with modern functionality. The Seagull new business watch, Model 6075, should be at the top of your list. It's stylish, durable, and makes for a fantastic gift. What more could you want? Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab yours today. / Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to Tectonic Electric for more tech and lifestyle reviews. And ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. /